The
230,000
plus, yeah, more than that, but oh yeah, no.
For me to catch up with you, I gotta go at like 100, almost 140 or 150,000.
Oh yeah, no, it's pretty.
Well, that's good for
oh yeah.
Like that. It can last that long.
Yeah, yeah, no, it's gotta drive the way it's supposed to drive.
And what year is this?
Oh, 2012.
You had it 10 years. That's really good.
No,
so it's almost like
I only had the car about 2 years.
Well, you actually, if it's 230,000, you probably put on like maybe 10,000 miles each time.
Oh no, I'm only having it for like 2 years. I didn't have it for 10 years.
Yeah.
I just.
Well, maybe I got. Well, so it's 230,000 on this car. Man.
Oh yeah, a little more than that, but okay. yeah.
So they had a car show, I think, in San Francisco a while back. Went down and looked one for me. I think they had this car was on display. I think Hyundai or something like that was one of them. That was on display. So.
Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah.
So you're going back to the office, huh?
Oh no, I work with someone else too.
Okay.
I don't get home until after midnight.
So you're gonna go and
meet
I
work
this
all
person
day.
in Napa?
Yeah, because I work all day since here, like 9:30 to midnight.
Yeah, I don't even know how you I don't know how you can do it but not getting any sleep.
Well, I used to work like that before when I was at our house, or it was Yeah, no, it's I don't. Yeah,
I wouldn't be able to do it because I gotta get my sleep and I got my breakfast. That'd be a lot for me.
Oh yeah.
I'll have to take some time off. Okay, so you're getting ready to head out, huh?
Yeah, because I have to be there by 4 and traffic's always pretty bad.
Go ahead and start up the car.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. No, I just don't like the door slammed. Yeah. Oh, I know what to do. I'm not stupid. 34, not 5.
Questioning whether regulators will approve the
sycophant, fucking nosy, treats you like you're stupid. Yeah, treats you like you're fucking 5 years old.
Race for Friday's November jobs report. Dow Industrial slipped 41, the S&P fell 25, the Nasdaq dropped 120.
He does not know how to park.
Games and other high-tech toys. This year's hottest holiday toy is stuffed animal. Researchers at Helena tell Dow Jones that sales of stuffed animals are up 4%.
He comments every fucking 5 seconds on whatever he's watching. He's like, dude, it's TV. Stop fucking commenting every 5 seconds. Damn.
Why won't Joe Biden punch
fucking annoying.
Republicans want to know, and a lot of prominent
fucking
Democrats
nosy.
too. Now here's more with Sean
like,
Hannity
dude,
on Top 650 KSTE.
Can't stand this crying.
Always get what you want, but you can get Sean Hannity online at Hannity.com. I-25 to the top of the hour. Thank you for being with us. 800-941 Sean on number. We'll get your calls here in a second. Reminder, the holiday season now upon us. The Tunnel to Towers Foundation, they are delivering on their commitment all year long to do good and never forget the sacrifices of America's greatest heroes during the annual season of hope. And now between now and Christmas, the foundation is delivering Glory Tree homes to dozens of America's catastrophically injured veterans, first responders, Gold Star, and fallen first responder families. One hero who received a home during the foundation's season of hope is Captain James Howard, 82nd Airborne, and trained for Special Forces, but then he sustained many serious injuries. And today he is a CFOC quadriplegic who lost his hand and leg functions, paralyzed from the chest down. Can you imagine that type of injury, how hard that must be? A Tunnel to Towers gave Captain James Howard and his family a fully adapted, mortgage-free smart home to ease the financial burden and make the day-to-day movements of his life easier. That's what they do every day, but they can only do it with our generosity. And we hope all of you this holiday season will join all of us here at Team Hannity for $11 a month. You can do it simply by going to their website, the letter T, the number 2, the letter T.org.
Just go ahead, you're on the damn street, stupid rich snobs. Jeez, you think they run everything.
This was on Fox News Digital, a person asking New York City park officials why is taking down posters of Israeli hostages. Listen to this. Hi, so this is being taken down by city officials because he says it counts like graffiti. And you're taking down people that are kidnapped in Israel because... I'm sorry, could you address this? Why are you taking this down? Why are you taking down posters, sir? Sir, why are you taking down a poster? The city ordered it? Now you don't want to address it, do you? How is this okay? Why are you taking something down? Isn't this a free country? Why can't you put a poster up? Why are you taking the poster down, sir? Why does it bother you to have a poster of somebody kidnapped that we're trying to have released at great awareness? Why are you taking it down? Really unbelievable, isn't it? It's wow. And after I have seen one of these, not just pro-Palestinian, but you hear, from the river to the sea chanting at the quote pro-Palestinian rallies in New York, from the river to the sea and everything else in between. And it's like almost like a daily occurrence lately. It's unbelievable. I was driving by one day and I just, kind of lowered the window, even took some video. And by the way, Lloyd Austin, he's absolutely clueless. Talking about protecting Palestinian civilians is both a moral responsibility and a strategic imperative. What do you think Israel's been doing since they were, invaded October the 7th? They've been telling innocent Palestinians to leave. They've been telling them what areas are safe to go to.
Drive like
the only
that.
people that have been forcing them back in their homes to use as human shields would be Hamas, the terror organization.
Rich people,
anyway, here's Lloyd Austin.
are better than everybody else.
The center of gravity is the civilian population. And if you drive them into the arms of the enemy, you replace a tactical victory with a strategic defeat. So I have repeatedly made clear to Israel's leaders that protecting Palestinian civilians in Gaza is both a moral responsibility and a strategic imperative.
Gets me so angry I can't even see straight. Anyway, 800-941-SEAN if you want to be a part of the program. Let's say hi to Scott is in Arizona. Scott, hi, how are you? Glad you called, sir.
I'm doing good, Sean. How are you?
I'm good. What's going on?
Well, I wanted to tell you, I guess convey something. I'm really frustrated when I talk to people who did vote for Trump. And never do I hear them mentioned as far as the economy or oil or the border. They always mention that, that he's a liar. They think that he's or that he's racist or he's a Nazi. And it's all the Democrat talking points. Yet I never hear Trump talk about that in speeches. And I was wondering, they say he's a jerk. Yet if you look at where Trump, they say maybe he lied. Let's say, there wasn't a lie with Russia, it was a lie with Ukraine, it wasn't a lie with the other things that happened. Was the election a lie? Well, we don't really know. And, is that something that how would you feel about addressing that with him more directly in a place where you can ask him a question where he doesn't have a prepared speech?
Look, I've asked him questions about all of these things. I mean, we all know what the media is. We understand. I think people are more hip to how corrupt, abusively biased that they are. And I think with that, people distrust the press more than they've ever distrusted them. And for good reason. They've earned our distrust. Especially when it comes to all things Donald Trump. Has any news organization ever taken responsibility for their Russia hoax lies? Has any of them ever taken responsibility for not reporting the Hunter Biden laptop story accurately before the election? Have any of them ever taken the position to investigate why the FBI was warning big tech in the months leading up to the 2020 election that they may be victims of a disinformation campaign and it may be about Joe and Hunter Biden?
Let me see if they have about